you have a form here, and this is also task table related only. You see the image of task table, but you have number differently. Same way we also did it. Okay. Here short description is there. Now short description I want to see as group approval short description. That means this one should show like this.
Label.
Yeah, label.
Default value of short
No.
description. No?
Labels. We
Wait,
have to
wait.
edit the labels.
Okay. So instead of short description, I want to see this English like this. Group
Okay, the label has to be changed.
approval short description. Yes, ma. Yes, label. Understood, ma, everyone? Everyone understood the requirement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So in this case, how we do, sir? Okay, we know that. Okay, go here. Always keep your parent table open so that you need to test whether it should not, okay, hamper it. Now I open for one more child table also for our, okay, recheck it. Then go here. Keep this page also open, right? Very carefully see, right? I am going to do one small thing now. I am in default update set, by the way. Okay, I am not capturing in that. Okay, I missed it. But anyway, you are in one update set, let it be. So I'll do one small thing here before I actually go do that part. Okay, there is a topic called label, right? So I'll go here. Okay, right click, configure dictionary. I did it. Okay, now it looks like dictionary override, no, sir. It looks like dictionary override, right? So let's try here. Okay, let's first try here. Sir, this is parent table, and I should not directly change here. If I directly change means it will change everywhere. I should not put like this. This is 100% sure. Okay, then there is nothing here. So I'll go here and then say dictionary override, right? So create a dictionary override part for it. Okay, group approval, right? GRP something, GRV. Yeah? What is the table name?
Sys approval something.
Sys approval, right? Now, do we have any option to change the label here from dictionary override side?
No.
No, sir.
No, correct? Dictionary override have only dictionary attributes, and somehow the label part is not there here. You don't have a label here.
Correct, sir.
So you can't use dictionary override topic to do this assignment. I mean to say scenario. Am I right? You are clear with this first?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So in this case, how you do it, sir? This is our challenge now. Okay. So to understand what I need to do, I'll just step out one. Okay, one step out I will go. I'll introduce something called. Okay, very carefully. See, this topic is a separate topic, but it will be mixed here. We will mix it. Okay. I go here. Okay. Right now I am here in the update set. Okay, I am watching it. First, what I will do is in this table, I'll create a column. I'll just create a new column, some X column. If I create a column, how many changes will store in update set? I'll just go and create it. Okay, say new, right? Form layout. Right, I'm just creating it. You just see it. Okay, and test column for B44. I just put it. Okay, let it be string, doesn't matter. Add. Okay, just keep it up. Right, and save it. That means I created one dictionary entry. Correct? Sys underscore dictionary table, one dictionary entry created. Am I right? Yes, everyone created? Yes, ma, created?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
first point is how many changes captured in the update set now. This is first point I would like to test you.
Sir, I think two label as well as the field. Is
Okay.
it control?
Hama. So, very carefully see, when you create one column, dictionary, by the way, it will come. Along with the dictionary, there is something called field label entry will come. field label. So our topic here is called label, first part. Take it as a separate topic because we have many points here. Okay, label. For every dictionary, one label will be there, one minimum. Okay, maximum we'll see now. Right? So now what is that, sir? Just go to the column. Okay, this is the column you created just now. Come down and then look something where you have something called label. So this is the record that you are seeing in this update set. For every column, there will be a separate label created. Label entry into label table. There is a table called sys_label table, I think, documentation or something. So here all the labels will store. For every dictionary, minimum one label will be there. Point number 1, clear ma? Label part clear? First, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first. Okay. Now next is, right? So now come back to our requirement. Okay. Sir, in the dictionary override requirement, for B44 tested, for B44, this one, okay, I want to have a separate label for this one, right? Without impacting the parent, how can I do, sir? Correct? Now, right, go to this one, right? Right click, configure dictionary. Very carefully notice it. Simple only, okay? Right? And then this is about label, right? Go to the labels. Okay. Now create a new label. Right? I am creating a new label here. Label name is this. Keep it. Right? Label name. This is not needed, okay? But label of which table? This label you are defining for which table? Task table or some other table? Group approvals. So, insert and step. So I just created one label, okay, for group table, okay, group approval table. Now you go here, refresh it here. So now the label for this table changed. Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you go to the parent table and then refresh it. Nothing changed here. So this requirement is clean. Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
So how we seen first what is label? First part we seen it. Okay. Second part is how to set a label for child table of a parent table. Child table level. Okay. Now there are two more important things that we do now. Very carefully see. Okay. Now I keep the cursor here. Okay. Okay. It will show for me something. It shows like this. Okay. So when I keep my cursor here, it should show some text. Okay, it's like a help text. Okay, even if you go to our, let's start with our post table. Okay, so sir, in my post table, I want to put some nice. Okay, so I kept it on victim. So when I put my cursor on victim, it should show some text saying, okay, affected person. Okay, victim, please define the affected person. So how to do it, sir? This is our next requirement. Okay. So if that is a requirement, what I will do is very carefully see. I go here, right click, configure dictionary. So this is a label change, correct? So you go here. Okay, you can't do anything here. You go to the label. Okay, and you open that label related to this, and here you write it in the hint. Hint means hint. Help text hint. Okay, ma? You all seen how I went there, correct? I went to the dictionary and then I went to the label of the dictionary and then writing, okay. Please define the affected person. Affected.
affected. A double M.
double M, sir.
AW changed. Okay, good. Right. So now I written right. So save it. Okay. From now, if you put the cursor on top of that field, it shows some text kind of. See here. For me, the question mark came. Okay, and if I put my cursor on question mark, that same text where I am, what I written in that hint, it is showing here. Noticed my everyone? Everyone noticed? Hint one, hint part. You are all noticed? Ma? Sir, I just opened, sir, but I am not seeing the same question mark here. In your instance, you are showing the question mark. In my instance, the question mark is not showing, but when I keep my cursor, it is showing. To get this question mark enabled, you need to do one small step here. Very carefully see. You go here. I will disable it first. Okay. Oh no, here. Where is that? General. Somewhere it should be. Give me a second. Show to question mark.
Tooltips.
Right? This one. Tooltip on forms, right? This I think this is the one, right? Now, very carefully see. Okay, there is no question mark. Did you notice that the question mark part gone? But if you put your cursor, the text will show. Hint will work as it is, but the question mark part will not come. Tooltip part. You are getting my point, my everyone? Label and help text, which is called hint, and show that hint with a special tip mark, tooltip mark. Those three. Noticed? Everyone noticed?
And sir, it was also showing the attribute mandatory.
Mandatory is already mandatory. No? We did the mandatory
Right.
part.
But when we, hover
Tooltip.
over the
Tooltip.
tooltip, it was also showing
Huh.
mandatory and then defining
No,
the different.
actually, what happened is the tooltip will show few more options. I'll show you.
Okay.
Where did we gone? Where did we gone here? Some
Accessibility, sir.
correct. Now the tooltip don't not only shows the respect to string or respect to hint, it also shows few other things. Very carefully see. As someone said, this have a mandatory and this have a
Mhm.
text. Now what I will do is I will change this value to someone. Okay. Very carefully see. Right. I will change this value to someone. Now you see the tool tip. Something is changed. Did you notice? Read it now.
Right.
Yeah,
Mhm.
mandatory has gone up, this the
Mandatory
text.
gone, but field value has been changed. Something
Changed.
you seen it right since last update.
Right.
Yeah, sir.
That question mark is a tooltip where it have some kind of cute things.
Mhm.
Okay, you want to enable the tooltip, you can go there and enable it. If you don't want it, then just keep it up. Even if you don't keep it, but whenever you keep your cursor on top of this, that hint one will show. The purpose of the hint in the label will show like that. This is what the main topic here. This part is clear, ma? First part is label. Okay, what is label? And second part is how it is generating when you are creating a dictionary. And third one is if you want to create a different name on child table level, how you do it. And fourth thing is, okay, the hint part. For label, hint is there and hint will display something like this. And also we seen something called tooltip. All these topics we seen so far. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, fourth point, very carefully see. Sir, the labels, I mean to say the label, how else we use it, sir? Okay, where is that? Victim, right? Now, in this label only, we can learn one more thing, right? Sir, Servicenow supports multiple languages. There is something called language pack. Okay, if you install that, okay, and if you enable it, the respective language also it will support. So let's say I am from Japan, right? Now my user, I can set some preference here. So I'll go to my account. Very carefully see. I go to my account. Right? Now in my account, I mean to say in my user account, I can set my region, I can set my language also here. Do you see? So far in my instance, I didn't set any language. I don't have any other language than English. I didn't install the language pack. I didn't set any other languages enable. Okay. But let's say I installed Japan also here. You got my point, ma? Okay. I have English, I have Japan. Both languages I have here. Okay. So for my user, I set to Japan because I am a Japanese guy. Okay. So if I open this, I set to Japan, assume that, and then if I open this particular field, I mean to say form, the victim I should see in Japanese. You got my point, everyone? I opened the same form, okay, but I'm not an English person, I'm a Japanese person. How you say you are a Japanese person? Because in my user profile, I set to my language to Japan. Okay, so when you set here to Japan, when you open this form, you expect that this victim should show in Japanese. All the other fields also. This one, all should show in Japanese.
My question was that only, sir, that all the field labels should be in a Japanese, right? Rather than only symbol.
Not
Right?
all,
Yeah.
but maybe we'll yes, all also. But I'll show for one. I'll just tell for one.
Yes,
But
sir.
everyone got this requirement. Everyone. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
in this case, what you need to do is very carefully see. Okay, you need to do the same thing. Go this only. Okay, label only. You need to create one more label for Japan. So what you do here? How you want to show here? Okay, victim in victim. How it show? How it should show in Japanese? Translate. Okay. So you need to define everything in Japan. So victim, okay. So take it, right? And you go here, right? This one you put it like Japanese one. Okay. Now you this is your optional, okay? You can put like this. But here language na for for English this is Ian. For Japanese there is one more, okay? Japan language code. I think GB or something. Okay, this will be enabled when you install that packma. Okay, JA, right? You need to put JA here, right? And this also you can change, right? Now, if you do this, and then if you have that enabled, Japanese language enabled, okay, when if you create like this, when a Japanese person means, sir, how, sir? The user who enabled the Japanese here. Okay, I go to my user. This can be done by user level. No need to contact system administrator and ask to change this one. User preferences can set by user. So I set my account to Japan, and from that time onwards, whenever I load my form, it will load with Japan. This one will show. This one will show. Okay, and this one will show when I hover it. So this is additional thing that we can do with labels. Got it, my everyone? I can't show practically, but if I have language pack and done, then I can do.
So here you replaced English to Japanese, right? So
This
what about the English language field
this one we need to
victim?
change. I am doing a copy, ma. I'm doing insert and stay. I am not saving it.
Okay.
I am
Okay.
creating a new label for this field on the same table. Different
Two fields must be there. That means, right? One in a Japanese and one in a
one is in
English.
English. Yeah. So you need to have all the languages here.
So is there any kind of a property file or somewhere we can only change the labels there, then it can pick
No,
it
ma.
up directly?
No, ma.
No?
Language translations is specific to few things. We need to define this way. Okay, here you have by default, if you see I mean, let me show you. Okay, So by default, when you create it, it came with English language, no? So if you want it for other language, you need to define one more label here.
Yes.
The point is clear, my everyone? Okay. This level we don't do. You don't do this much of development until and unless you have it, but it is also easy. You will get it. You have the language pack enabled, and then you will get these kind of requirements, language transactions, translations and all. But this is one more topic that you can refer here when it comes to labels. The label part is clear, ma? What is label? How system is creating a label when you are creating a dictionary thing? Okay, that is second thing. And if I want some, okay, label specifically to show for a different table, means child table, parent table, without affecting it, kind of dictionary override. Okay, how I will set it up? That I showed it. Okay, and fourth one is what is hint in the label page? Okay, what is the meaning of hint? Right? This one we seen it, and also when we are seeing the hint part, we also seen something like enabling and disabling the tooltip part, how it shows. Finally, the label, it is there now only for English. How else we can also create for different. So it given a kind of meaning that, okay, you don't have this pack JA, but you are trying to create there. Okay, I can't do it. Kind of. Right? Good. Label, please clear, ma? Everyone, what we have in label is clear.